Imagine a world where your daily menu is strictly limited to foods that match the color of your irises. You wake up, check your eyes, and realize your nutritional intake for the day is locked behind a pigment-based wall. This isn't just a quirky experiment. It's a deep dive into how color-coded nutrition would fundamentally rewrite your body's metabolic rhythm. The challenge begins the moment you insert a pair of blue contact lenses. In this hypothetical, your digestive system treats blue foods as your primary fuel source. You are restricted to blueberries, blue corn, and perhaps some specifically dyed potatoes. Your blood sugar levels begin to fluctuate wildly as your body struggles to find complex proteins in such a narrow color spectrum. By the 12-hour mark, the lack of dietary variety hits your gut microbiome. Normally, your gut thrives on a diverse array of fibers and phytochemicals. By forcing it into a blue-only cycle, you are essentially starving the beneficial bacteria that depend on the reds, greens, and yellows you are currently ignoring. Your digestion slows to a crawl, leading to significant bloating and discomfort. The next morning, you switch to green contact lenses. Suddenly, your body is flooded with chlorophyll-rich foods like kale, spinach, and broccoli. The physiological shock of this transition is immense. Your liver, which was just trying to process a mountain of blue-tinted carbohydrates, must now shift gears entirely to process the sudden influx of leafy green nutrients and vitamins. This rapid oscillation between pigment groups creates a metabolic whiplash. Your insulin sensitivity is compromised because your body cannot predict the glycemic load of your next color-coded meal. You aren't just eating for hunger anymore, you are trapped in a biological loop where your visual appearance dictates your hormonal health and energy output. As we hit the 48-hour mark, the cognitive decline becomes apparent. Your brain relies on a steady supply of glucose and specific fatty acids, many of which are missing from your current restrictive color cycles. You find it difficult to focus, your memory feels hazy, and your mood swings are amplified by the erratic nature of your forced color-based nutrition. Ultimately, this experiment reveals the brilliance of a balanced diet. We are biologically wired to seek variety because no single food group or color provides the full spectrum of nutrients needed for human survival. Your eyes might look vibrant in different colors, but your body is begging for the full rainbow to function properly. What if you had to commit to this for a month instead of just 2 days? The long-term consequences on your muscle mass and immune system would be catastrophic. It is a stark reminder that nutrition is about chemistry, not just aesthetics. If you could only eat one color for the rest of your life, which would you pick and why?